Hi guys, today I'm going to try and teach you how to create your own IMs instructional materials using Microsoft PowerPoint. First, let us review some controls that might be helpful in making our project. Control A for highlight all, Control B for bold, Control C for copy, Control D for duplicate, Control E for center, Control I for italics, Control V for paste, and Control S for save. I know some of you and many of you have already know these controls, but this is for review purposes. Alright, today we are going to try to remake this IM that I made a few days ago and uploaded in our page. Action words using Apple as design. This is self-illustrated by Teacher's Craft. So let's start. First, insert shapes. Choose the curve. We're going to do the apple first. Okay, bear with my drawing skills. Okay, let's do some apple here. I know many of you are very adept in drawing and illustrating, so pardon my skills. I'm just trying to share a little knowledge that you might want to impart with other people, because sharing is caring, right? Okay, it's starting to come together. Make sure that your object is closed for you to easily put some colors in it. I choose shape fill and dark red. Let's do some shape outline. Weight 4 and 1/2 points, and the color is black. Okay, let's do the twig. Insert again the curve. Alright, just a little cute twig to complete our apple. There. And go to format, shape fill, brown, shape outline, weight 4.5, and then black. Okay, twist it a little however direction you want it to go, and let's draw some leaf. Okay, curve again because there's no leaf in there. Perfectly shaped. I don't know, is it coming together? Okay, let's change the color to green. I'm using the grass green and rotate it a little and place it here. Let's put some shape outline. 4.5 black. Okay, let's use the control A, then go to format, group. Okay, so you can move it as one object. Let us make it a little bigger and make it a little fatter. You see na it's being separated, you just have to bring it closer. I forgot the leaf line. Let's insert some shape, curve, draw from here, curve it a little, and then there. Outline 4.5 black. Okay, it's not perfect, but it will do. Next, let's add some text. Insert text box. Text box here, outside. I'm going to type in dance. Control A. Choose your desired text. AR Sena. Control B for bold. And Control A to change the text. What kind of yellow is that? This one. And a little bigger. Okay, then we have our, it's different kind of yellow. Let's change it this yellow. Okay, then to save this as separate JPEG, but in the easiest way, let's remove this and this one. Go to File, Save As, Browse. Look for the JPEG file interchange format, Action Words, and save. Choose all slides. Okay, this is the benefit of doing your IMs in PowerPoint. You can do many things. You can do the videos, the pictures, many pictures, but in one saving as separate files, and many others. So that's it. Thank you for bearing with me, and I hope you learned something from me.